So one of our fosters is an employee at Golden Rule, and she reached out and said, hey, I nominated you guys for this thing, and you might get some money, so just watch out for an email. Oh My Dog Rescue is a local foster-based rescue. We serve dogs and have foster homes in Polk, Boone, and surrounding counties. Our goal is to find homes for homeless pets, so we help dogs that are from all kinds of situations.
We get most of our satisfaction through doing rescue work by the connections we build with our fosters, our volunteers. We have a great group of people, but mostly by finding the dogs homes.
Yeah, we really love dogs.
A microchip scanning station is mounted and installed in our communities. It allows people who find lost pets to bring the pet to this microchip scanning station and scan it for a microchip. If the pet is microchipped, it has instructions on what to do, and if it's not microchipped, there's also instructions for that as well.
So the goal is that we can avoid the animal having to be taken in by animal control or have to go to the shelter at all. If we know the name of the owner and we got their contact information, we can get them right back to the owner as quickly as possible. So we don't want to have to take up any resources in the community if we can avoid it.
We currently have 3 microchip scanning stations installed, one in Madrid, Boone, and here in Polk City. Right now, our biggest challenge is getting a response sometimes.
Yeah, it's hard to know who to reach out to in the community as to who would be the decision maker of where and when we can install it. And we also have to fundraise too, because the microchip scanners are several $100s each. And then of course we have to produce the sign and then the weatherproof box that it goes in. And all of that costs money, and we do not charge the city anything to do this. We're just fundraising for it, and the city gets this installed for free. The money that we receive from Golden Rule, how many stations
We'll be able to install at least 4 microchip scanning stations with the donation from Golden Rule.
Yeah, very cool.
Thank you.